How to remove my AI on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the chat section, and as you tap on chat section, you can see the My AI option. So what you can simply do is make a long press on it and then tap on chat and notification settings. Now simply tap on clear from chat feed and then tap on clear. So it will be removed from your feed. Now if you want to remove the data, simply tap on the icon of your profile at the top left corner, then select on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now go back or go down to the very end where you can see the option of delete my AI data under account actions. Select on that and then tap on confirm. Now you'll be able to remove my AI on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.